New York subway, the veins of the city, but lately, it feels more like a scene from a thriller. Last week, a woman was tragically set on fire while sleeping on an F train in Brooklyn. The suspect calmly walked away, and it took vigilant teenagers recognizing him to bring him to justice. This wasn't a fight, just pure evil. And then there's the Danielpenny trial. A Marine turned vigilante, or protector, depending on who you ask, put Jordan Neely in a fatal chokehold on the subway. The verdict? Not guilty, sparking protests, anger, and debates about justice and safety underground. Add to that the recent slashing of a woman on her morning commute and the dangerous rise of subway surfing, kids risking their lives for a few clicks and likes. The mayhem is everywhere, and it's clear the subway is as unpredictable as ever. So, how do you navigate this chaos? Stay aware, stay sharp, and don't become a statistic. For more tips on staying safe in this urban jungle, tune into the channel for a full breakdown. This is your survival guide for the NYC subway. BX Prepper, urban survival made simple.